He could be going to jail right now for not stopping.
No, he can't. He can go to jail, but he'll beat it. I guarantee you that for not stopping.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to San Joaquin News Network. This video comes to you from Scott Morrow. He has a channel called Body Bag Records, and he's been recording police. This is an exclusive video that you're not going to see anywhere else. This guy reached out to me, and he thanked me for inspiring him to record police. So here's an exclusive video, like I said, that you won't see anywhere else. Thank you to Scott for sending that to us. I'll drop his original channel link in the description for you guys. Check out this video.
So what they did, ask you for your ID?
Yeah, but I didn't need nothing.
So why y'all got him in cuffs, officer?
Let me ask you, you see a helicopter?
I see it.
Look to the right. Why don't you walk around with it? We just had a shooting.
I understand.
Back and forth.
I understand.
A black man left wearing a white t-shirt.
Uh-huh.
He comes right by me.
I'm not saying y'all doing nothing wrong, you know.
Try to stop him,
Uh-huh.
and he said, and he keeps riding, it won't stop.
That's right.
After I just had a shooting, so of course I'm going to detain him. He's fine. He's fine. He'll be all right. I got a white shirt. No, he's not going to jail. I just want you to understand. I could have understand. If I tell you to stop, and I'm doing an investigation, because obviously had a shooting, you don't have all this stuff on your nose. And you look like him, you start resisting, and I think you're able to get it on. It's just a based on whether you committed a crime or not, because I'm trying to stop you from my hands committing a crime. Does that make sense? Obviously, we have more important stuff to deal with. Did they come back with your crime? Let me verify this. Write down his address.
Make sure you get the CAD number, man.
They say I fit the description.
It's okay. It's all right. It's all right. Huh? I don't know. I don't know what description. He's the officer in the driver's seat said black male with white shirt on. Yeah. This what they do. This what they do and try to justify it. Exactly. Yes, sir.
And everybody wants to know.
Yeah, you're right.
We just had a shooting, like 20, 30 shots fired over here. And
Right.
a black male wearing a white shirt took off running through the park. He comes from a bike the street over.
Mm-hmm.
How many people, if they're running on foot and they see a bike, would take a bike and keep going? When I ask him to stop, and he ignores me several times and keeps riding, why would I not think that person might be involved if they won't stop me? One street over from a shooting. I stopped him, I identified him, he's on his way.
So you know the name of the guy that you're looking for?
No.
So what was the purpose of identifying him? And how did you find out that wasn't him?
I just identified him. If he ends up being a suspect, we can come back and identify him. I never said it wasn't him, did I? I identified him now. And if it comes back to me,
Exactly.
I said it wasn't him.
Well, number one, a guy on a motorcycle has just crashed. Okay, so obviously he would have
I
injuries.
identified him, so if we come back to it,
doesn't
we need
have-
to question him, we will. He could be going to jail right now for not stopping.
No, he can't. He can go to jail, but he'll beat it. I guarantee you that for not
He could go to
stopping.
jail for obstruction.
For obstructing what?
My investigation. If I'm conducting an
But-
investigation on a shooting,
And you,
he
so you
matches
so
the description.
Right.
He won't stop for me. He keeps going.
right. So you suspect him of committing the crime, is what you're saying? I'm asking you that. I'm just asking a simple
Let it
question.
go, did I not?
But
When I did
no, I got it. I'm not like that no more. I'm just asking. I'm asking these questions for a specific reason. All right. So I know you got my back, and I know how I used to be. I'm not like that anymore. I'm not. So you suspect him of committing the crime?
At the time of stopping him,
Right.
match description of a male that took off running
Right.
over here
Right.
from a shooting.
Right.
So if I say, hey, stop, I can identify you because you match a description, and you keep going and it won't stop for me.
Right. So what you're saying is that at the time you suspected him
Yes.
of being the suspect.
Of-
That's all I want to know. That's all I want to
And I
know.
would've
What's
stopped
the
him.
reasonableness? If you were doing our job,
He wouldn't have been handcuffed if he would have just stopped and
Uh-huh.
said, hey, here's my information. He wouldn't even been handcuffed. The problem is, I was running after it. He would not stop.
Right.
And finally stopped down there where his bike was.
Right.
Which is why he was handcuffed. How do I know he's not going to try to run for me and he might be involved?
Okay.
If he would
But
have stopped from the beginning, it would have been good. I would have identified him. It would have been it.
but it really don't make no sense to me though. I mean,
If either way though, y'all understand we just had a shooting.
yeah,
We got a
you're
perimeter
doing your
set up.
job. I know. I'm not.
appreciate y'all not argue with me while we got more stuff to focus on.
That's right. Exactly.
All right?
Yeah.
So thank you.
Yeah.
Right here at Royal Park. At Royal Park. It was a black male that just took off on white foot. There's more people involved. But one person took off on foot this way. There were two parties, two vehicles involved, and a motorcycle. It was a group of people, from my understanding. This is active. I'm over here, not over there. So, some of the vehicles left, but one guy we were told took off through the woods over here, which is why I'm here, so when we get a dog on the round.
And we appreciate that. Bottom line, we do appreciate you doing.
Riding by in a white shirt matching the description.
you see somebody suspicious.
All we know is a black man in a white shirt. That's what somebody called in.
Crashed a motorcycle. They were shooting at each
I
other.
heard somebody crash a motorcycle, that's all I heard.
Yeah.
But I didn't hear about no shooting.
Yeah.
So that's why I'm asking.
That's why we got the helicopters up. Nobody's gonna target you. You know what I mean?
Yeah, but see, he might want to jump me from my car, you know?
Right. And he could have took off running and stole a bike from a neighbor. That's what I don't know. And when you don't stop for me, you keep riding, it's gonna raise my suspicion.
Yeah. We'd rather for you to try to get them than not to get them. We just want to understand because as a community.
But he understood it after. He was like, yeah, I get it. After
Yeah.
I explained, because he was like, I didn't do nothing. I said, just stop. I said, we just had a shooting. I need you to stop. You match a description.
Right.
That's it.
And so let me let you, and I'm not saying you did the wrong thing, but I want you to see it from our eyesight, right? He knows that he didn't do it. Listen.
You don't have to debate it. You weren't.
I'm not debating. I'm not debating, but you need to hear this though, because before you kill somebody.
I still got this going on. I'm still waiting and looking and trying to stay in the woods and stuff. I don't wanna
Look.
debate this.
I'm not debating. I'm trying to explain to you so we won't get hurt as citizens.
Yeah.
I'm trying to let you see how he's seeing it from his point. He knows that he didn't do anything, and by you telling him to stop, he's not understanding why he's being stopped. You understand?
I didn't hurt him.
You didn't, but you could have. You know what I'm saying? So I'm just
He
letting
could
you.
have gone to jail. I could have used force against him for not resisting.
Yeah,
Absolutely.
yeah,
But I'm
absolutely.
not-
Yeah.
And I explained it to him what could have happened, and he said, "You're right."
Yeah.
That's it. We're good. I got him identified. If we need to talk to him later, we're good.
All right. Did y'all have your bodies camera running when y'all did that?
Absolutely.
You have a
So
CAD
right
number
now-
for that?
I don't have
For-
right now. I'm not going to go in my car and get that. You got to understand we're doing something. If you want to call in later, absolutely, I'll feel free
Okay.
to get that.
All right. What's your name and badge number right quick?
Wilson 177.
I appreciate it. Yours, officer?
Turner, 228.
I appreciate y'all.
Yes, sir.
It might not seem like it, but I really do appreciate you guys.
Right. Like I said,
Yeah.
the CAD number is going to be related to this shooting. So if you want
Yeah.
to call in later, but I'm not climbing in my car.
No, well, don't. You don't have to do it. You don't have to do that.
Hey, we gotta go. The police in my house, Lord, she been on 5.
That's what I'm telling